Hey, I'm Ben, and welcome to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of proxies. Buckle up because this is going to be a fascinating journey. First things first, let's answer the question, what is a proxy? A proxy is a server like a middleman between you and the internet. It acts as your guardian online. When you send a request to access a website, your request goes through the proxy server first. But why? One of the key advantages of proxies is that they hide your IP address. This anonymity adds a layer of privacy to your online activities. You control what you reveal. Proxies come in various flavors, each with its specific use cases. Let's explore these options. Proxies are also used for web filtering and controlling access to content. They're like your online bouncers. They provide an additional layer of security, acting as your digital bodyguard against threats. From web scraping to online gaming, proxies have numerous applications. Let's dive into some real-world examples. But hold on, there are risks involved too. In the wrong hands, proxies can pose a threat. If you decide to use a proxy, choose your service wisely. Not all proxies are created equal. Free or paid, we'll explore the benefits and downsides of both. Let's master the art of setting up and using proxies. It's easier than you think. Let's take a closer look at the differences between residential and data center proxies and when to use each. It's all about understanding your options. While using proxies is legal, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind. Let's explore the importance of using proxies responsibly. Maintaining your proxies is essential for smooth performance. We'll cover best practices to keep them running like a well-oiled machine. Let's discuss not only proxy alternatives but also the exciting future trends. In conclusion, proxies are versatile tools that can enhance your online security, privacy, and access. It's time to take action. Explore proxies, understand their potential, and make your online experience safer and more private. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more such content.